Hey everybody, Brian with Field Vans. Today we are here checking out our new eSprinter. So all electric Sprinter, really kind of a cool build, concept build for us. We're gonna hop inside. If you're loving this content, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna do a lot more of these videos. Give us a like. But in the meantime, let's go check out this new eSprinter. So with this electric spinner, Mercedes actually approached us because we're a Mercedes master upfitter and wanted us to come up with a concept for the new eSprinter that could work for Class B RVs, things like that. So we kind of came up with a concept of, a camper that could still take you anywhere, but a little bit more of like an urban assault vehicle or something where you could do a lot of work, kind of day trip, be a daily driver, take the whole family. Oh, don't mind me, just doing some work here on my laptop, having my coffee, sitting in my eSprinter, hanging out, waiting for my favorite brewery to open later today across the street. So really good, comfortable concept in here. But anyway, talking about the eSprinter, all jokes aside, we did a lot of things in here to make this suitable for both, camping and an urban environment. So one of the just simple things is we did this curtain that comes across. In all of our vans, we do insulated shades and they're really nice, but sometimes you just want to quickly, get some privacy, close that off, change your clothes, or just park in a neighborhood and pretend like you're just an empty van parked, not have the shades in the cab. That's a giveaway. So quick curtain that slides across, magnetic, really nice. We partnered with a company called Van Life Components who makes all aluminum cabinetry. So to cut the weight down, we did all aluminum cabinetry in this build, keeping the weight down in this van, keeps that range up. So the eSprinter, if we talked about before, typically has a 200 to 230 mile range on a full charge. We've been able to keep that. We just tested it several times now. We're about 205, 208, even with the full weight of a conversion inside, which is really nice. Still gives you a reasonable range to get somewhere. So if you've seen our videos, you know me, I love a big garage space in a van. I want to carry all the gear with us. We got the bikes in this one, but you could also do surfboard, skis, really anything you want to put in here, inflatable paddle boards. It all goes inside this garage. It's a huge space. The bed's 75 inches long. This bed from Van Life Components is also really configurable. So I can make it into a sofa style that faces forward. We can make a bench with 2 seats on either side. We can even take a section out and put it between the doors to make kind of a workstation or even like a cocktail hour table to set food out. Really versatile space, which is how we like it. We also use a mixture of what's called a J channel, which supports the bed, and also L-track to attach all kinds of accessories to the rear of this van. I can put bags in and out on the J channel. I can use the L-track to tie things down, fork mounts for bikes, accessorize it however you want in the back of this thing. It's amazing. So that's our short video on the eSprinter, all electric sprinter from Mercedes. We want to know what you think. So we're excited about future possibilities with this van, but give us your opinion. Get in the comments, tell us what you think of the eSprinter. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel, give us a like. We'll see you in the next video.